Hello my dear friend. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel Creativity by Cat. I'm Ravindra Gupta, and today's video I'm going to tell you about how to design a door with various of process. So let's get started. So in my screen you can see this is the design of door. In this door there are various parts of this door like top rail and then cross rail panels. These are the panels, and these are the locks still, and this is lock set called lock rail, and hinge tail, and but tail and bottom rail. So these are the various parts of the door. So, and in another picture you can see that there are various kind of door length and width, like 34 inches by 80 inches, so 36 inches by 82 inches, and next one is 38 by 84 inches. So these are the all types of door. So let's discuss only one basic design of door. So here you can see this is 7 feet by 3 feet 6 inches. So how we can draw this door? Let's do that. So I'm going to delete this. There is no need of this. So let's draw. Here I'm going to draw a rectangle of uh, 3 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. So you can see here a rectangle of 3 feet by 3 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. So I'm going to draw uh, length and width. I'm going to take a dimension. So you can see it's exactly dimension which we need. Now next I'm going to take offset of 4 inches from all of sides. So this is what we take for the door design. Now here I'm doing one thing, that on the base the distance between the bottom is 4 6 inches. So I'm stretching 2 more inches here. Now let's draw a center line here, and offset of 2.5 inches above and below. So trim here, this also we need to trim, trim. So this you can see how it looks like. All the parts done which we read earlier, like top rail, cross rail, everything. Now let's draw here rectangle, complete rectangle, as it is exploded form. So we need to draw again and take offset of 0.5 inches from here inside. Again take offset of 2 inches. Now let's do trim some of the point which is not required here, here. This also not required, so I'm going to trim all those points. Again, let's draw or take offset. Take offset of 0.5 inches inside, so you can see how it looks. Same here. I'm going to draw a rectangle here, and let's do offset 0.5 inches first, and then offset 2 inches, again offset 0.5 inches. So you can see this is complete set of. Now here what we can do, we need to draw a circle here, so you can see how this doors comes. So this is let's draw the dimension from here to here. It's 4 inches. Again from last corner this one to here, this will comes out to be 2 feet 10 inches. Again last one from here to here, again this is 4 inches. So you can see this is all design of door. You can draw a very simplest way. So this is how we can get final door design with different dimensions. Here I am with the 7 feet by 3 feet 6 inches. So my dear friends, I hope uh, this video will help you to understand the design of door. So please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as write your comment in comment box. Thank you once again.